Hello, hi people. It's good to see all of you again. Kama kawaida, this is Mish Ventures. So today I'm going to do another exciting recipe called the Oreo pudding. I'm going to do the Oreo pudding. Yeah, it's not a dessert per se, but it's an Oreo pudding. So what I'm gonna need, we have the Oreos here. We have the Oreos over here. And then I'm going to use what? Vanilla strawberry ice cream. I have vanilla strawberry ice cream. Then I'm gonna use yogurt, plain, no flavor. Remember the Oreos have a lot of sugar, so I'm using the one that is plain because the Oreos have sugar in them. And for me, these are the tools I'm going to use. This is where I do my mixing from. And lastly, I have this old school. I'm not going to blend, guys. You can as well blend the Oreos, but I'm going to smash them in here in this kinu na mchi. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the, let me get a plate. I'm going to remove the cream from. So I'm doing dry Oreos, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm fixing all the Oreos throwing here. What I'm just doing is to remove this creamy part. Only this can be used somewhere else, but that's what I'm doing. I'm removing this creamy part, and then I'm gonna crush my Oreos. You see, I'm just opening, then I remove the cream. Alright, so guys, I'm done with my Oreo. This is my Oreo, as you can see, and my three glasses are just here. So, and this is the cream that I was removing from the Oreo. Yes, this one. Yeah, this one. So what I am going to do first, I had told you I'm going to do plain yogurt, the one that has no flavor. So what I'm gonna do, I put in the freezer. I wanted it to be a bit thick. So I'm going to put some scoops of yogurt in these glasses like that. I'll put it thick. So nice, so nice. I'll put in these glasses. As you can see, I froze it a bit because I needed this level of thickness. See? I'm sure you can see what I'm doing, guys. Then when I'm done like that, let me pick a spoon. Don't you worry, I'm just here. Then I do my Oreo. So I do a layer of Oreo like this. I'm doing a scoop, a scoop, a scoop, a scoop for each of them. You see? I'm doing the Oreo, a scoop for each of them. So when I'm done with that, I am doing another small layer of yogurt, just a small layer. You will know the reason as to why I'm doing this. this looks a bit less. So I add some. So I'm doing, guys, until all this container, I have to finish everything. I have to finish everything. Alright, so there is a secret something here that I didn't tell you guys. Some grapes. Alright, so I'm going to do my grapes inside here. I'll do some grapes here. Here. You can see what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. Remember, I'm still doing my Oreo pudding. My Oreo pudding. So yummy. Oh my goodness. You can't even imagine. Look, so I'm doing a layer of grapes. You can use, I like grapes and, what are they called? And strawberries. But I didn't get the strawberries, so I just decided to use the grapes. Ha ha ha! Look what is here. Look what is here. Done like that. And then, guess what I'm going to do next? What I'm going to do next is this. Another layer of Oreo. Another layer of Oreo over here on top of the grapes, guys. See what I'm doing. I have to finish everything here. Everything. Now, guys, I can't forget my cream from the Oreos. So, I'm gonna do the cream over here. Just do a scoop over here. Then I divide for this one over here. And lastly, here. So, my cream is back again. And hey, I am not done. I'm not done. Lastly, guess what is coming? Guess what is coming on table? Guess what is coming on table? A scoop of something yummy. A scoop of something yummy. Look. So this is Van Straw. I love vanilla and strawberry. Definitely I was to go for Van Straw. That's my favorite flavor for ice cream. So, look. You can add some on this other side. Hey, oh, so yummy. Who is salivating? So yummy. My. Look at my pudding. So, I'm done with this. Let me just fix this one quickly in the freezer. Like that. And here's what I'm going to do last. Look, I get my Oreo and I fix it here on the side. I get my Oreo and fix it here. Get my Oreo and fix it here. So let me just pull the camera close so that you can see what I have done. So this is what I've done. That's my Oreo pudding. I'm sure you can see it clearly. Remember, the fruits are inside there, the Oreo is there, the yogurt is there, plain yogurt. And look at the topping. There is some ice cream and some Oreo. So guys, as usual, please remember to subscribe. Let me have a seat. You know I'm all alone, and that's why you can see all this happening. So please remember to subscribe to my channel kama kawaida, and thanks always for watching. Thanks for being there for me. Thanks for your support as well. Until next time when I'm doing my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.